In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see your first liked post on Instagram. So which post on Instagram did you like first on this specific account? So to do that, tap on your Instagram app to open it up. Then we want to tap on our profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. And now we need to tap on settings. Now to see your liked posts, this feature has actually moved now. So to get it, just tap on the search bar. This is an easy way to get it, and begin typing manage likes. So I'll just type MAN. A whole bunch of options will pop up. We want to tap on the second option that says manage likes. Once that loads up, it's going to show us all our liked posts on Instagram. Okay, now you can see it's filtered here. If you can see here, it says newest to oldest. If you want to filter it to the oldest to newest, just tap on that, and then you want to tap at the top where it says sort by. Tap that and then tap on oldest to newest. Then just simply hit apply. That will just load up for a moment depending on how many photos you have. And then you can see the first one there is the first post that you liked on this account. So if I tap on it, you can see this post was actually from the 5th of March 2019. And that's how you do it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.